Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find password and security. Then let's go to the system security. And here we have to scroll down to find the credential storage. Let's tap on it. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all user certificates. So let's simply tap on this option and tap on OK. Of course, we will have to confirm it with the screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.